If you want to clean your coffee maker without all the scrubbing and hard work, this is for you. Let me show you how easy it is to use this coffee maker cleaner. Okay, as you can see, here's my disgusting coffee pot. And you just take one of these tablets. I think the first time you use it, they say to use two, but you can put in one or two depending on what you need, and just drop it in there like that. And then you run the clean cycle on your coffee maker. So it's a really easy way to get things clean, and that's all you have to do. I have nothing else to show you. You put the tab in there, you run it, and it cleans it for you. This is great.